Let's try a hole saw. I know for a fact that this one is very, very dull. But let me show you. Yeah, so I had to back that out a bunch of times and put a lot of pressure just to get that hole drilled. Let's see if we can sharpen it so it does better. Let it cool first. You just want to match the angle, go in like this. Make sure you don't pull it out like this and accidentally round off the tip. And just match the angle, pull it out, match the angle, pull it out. And I have my first tooth marked here, so I'll sharpen this up. Okay, round two. I think I made that look harder than it actually was, but that cut better. Well, my battery's dying. But it definitely cut better.